So this is gonna be the shortest video ever. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell right there. Yeah. So we are basically going to be remaking this butter slime. It's blue, light blue. It's super duper pretty, but the thing is that it's not stretchy at all. It's supposed to be a butter slime. It does not spread. So like what? But as an example, it does not spread. It is horrible. I'm still going to keep it a butter slime, and I want to keep this color because this color is so pretty. So I think I'm going to use some baby oil, some lotion, some shaving cream. I'm having a lot of ingredients. Some hair gel, and I'm not sure why I need this, but I just saw it. Some shaving gel. Yeah. It was softening the slime. There we go. Now, it was softening the slime. There we go. Now, I went ahead and mixed the lotion and hair gel together, and this is what I have so far. And I will be back when it is completely mixed. So I fixed it. Way more stretchier. I like its consistency. I mean, it still could rip, but it's not sticky to the point where I can play with it and take it anywhere I want. But yeah. Next, I will be adding some baby oil. Okay. Okay. Is this too much? No, it was supposed to be satisfying. And baby oil is to make it nice and glossy and shiny. It keeps dropping.
Classified information. You're right. I want you can do about 45.
Yeah, maybe you'll get that bigger next time.
$50?
Stretchy, but it's like sticky. Got it on the camera. There we go. It's a nice consistency. Just gonna add more baby oil. Okay guys, so this is the new slime. I am in love with it. Now I'm gonna do some quick slime ASMR for you guys.